Should we automate away all the jobs, including the fulfilling ones? Should we allow AI machines to flood the internet with propaganda and fake news?
What happens when something vastly smarter than the smartest person comes along in silicon form?
Human beings have created something that is far smarter than they are, and the consequences of that are impossible to predict. It is conceivable that AI could take control and reach a point where you couldn't turn it off and it would be making the decisions for people.
Yeah, absolutely.
Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a reoccurring theme in science fiction. In fact, when most people hear the term artificial intelligence, the first thing they usually think of are robots or cyborgs. That is because AI has mostly been misrepresented in films and novels for years. But today, it is more fact than fiction, as AI has become a part of our daily lives. From the moment you wake up to check your smartphone, to watching a video on YouTube, or simply asking Alexa for the weather condition, you are already interacting with artificial intelligence. However, there is a growing concern that as technology advances, AI could take over people's jobs, or even worse, take over the world. That's because machines would be able to perform several mundane tasks faster and more efficiently than humans, which could lead to massive unemployment. But should you be worried that machines are becoming self-reliant and able to think and act like humans? Would computers become too smart and take over the world like we've seen in movies? Should you be worried that AI will replace your job? Make sure to keep watching this video as we find the answers to these questions as we explore the extraordinary world of artificial intelligence and how it is changing our world, and how you can prepare yourself for the inevitable future. Before we go further in this video, it is important that you understand what artificial intelligence is. So, what actually is artificial intelligence? The term artificial intelligence was first mentioned in 1956 by a man named John McCarthy when he organized an academic conference on the subject. He proposed that a machine can be thought to simulate a human performing a task intelligently. While the concept of a machine that can think and learn on its own has been around before McCarthy's time, it was his work that formally established artificial intelligence as an academic discipline as we know it today. Therefore, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence into machines to think like humans and do things that mimic their actions. For instance, one of the earliest applications of artificial intelligence was creating chess-playing programs that defeated chess masters. In 1997, reigning world champion Garry Kasparov played against Deep Blue, a chess-playing program on the IBM supercomputer developed at Carnegie Mellon University, in a 6-game rematch and lost 4 games to 2. But over the last few decades, rapid technological advancement and access to large amounts of data have helped scientists improve AI, making it better at learning and problem solving. We all use AI extensively across a range of applications today, with varying levels of sophistication. Some prominent examples of everyday applications include voice assistants, image recognition for face unlock in mobile phones, advanced web search engines, personalized experience on entertainment streaming apps like Netflix and YouTube, and even self-driving technology in cars. It is easy to get carried away by all the great benefits of AI, but extensive use of advanced AI can have negative effects on society. But before we get into more details on whether AI is good or bad, let's get to know the different types of AI that we have. What are the different types of artificial intelligence? No matter where you look today, from finance to healthcare, security, education, and even entertainment, AI is providing new opportunities to solve existing problems. Machines are getting smarter and are able to perform certain tasks with minimum supervision from humans. However, not all AI was designed to perform in the same way. So based on their capabilities, AI can be divided into 4 main types, which are reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. So let's start off with reactive machines. The most basic type of AI is the reactive machines, created to perform a small number of well-designed tasks. That is, reactive machines have no memory and cannot pull from previous experiences when completing a task, so they always deliver the same output. Deep Blue, the chess-playing program, is a good example of a reactive machine. This program could identify its opponent's pieces on the chessboard to make predictions, but it does not have the memory to analyze its human opponent's strategy based on previous moves. Another type is limited memory AI. Unlike reactive machines, limited memory refers to an AI's ability to store limited data and use it to make better predictions. In other words, this type of AI may respond differently when presented with the same situation based on the information from previously stored data. A good example of limited memory AI is self-driving cars. Self-driving cars use sensors to observe their environment, learning about traffic signals, steep roads, civilians crossing the street, as well as the speed, directions, and proximity of other cars on the road. The vehicle can then use this information to make better driving decisions and avoid accidents. The third type of AI is a concept known as the theory of mind, and it does not exist yet. This describes the ability of an AI to develop social skills, desires, and emotions. In other words, an AI system with theory of mind would understand that others have feelings, emotions, and expectations, and learn to adjust their response accordingly. And finally, the fourth type of AI, which is self-awareness, which does not quite yet exist, but this is believed to mark the pinnacle of AI evolution. A scary thought, but this is a future concept where AI would not only become more intelligent, but self-conscious and aware of their own existence. While a self-aware machine with human-level consciousness does not exist yet, there are several applications of AI in our everyday lives which we will go over shortly. What are the uses of AI? Well, the amount of data that is generated by both humans and machines today far outpaces our ability to absorb, interpret, or even make meaningful decisions based on the data. However, with the advent of more powerful computers, we can rely on them to interpret this data and make all the complex decisions for us. Therefore, we have AI across a range of applications today, but in this video, we are only going to talk about a few. First, let's talk about the use of AI in healthcare. In healthcare settings, AI is used to assist in diagnostics. Computers can be trained using large amounts of data available to identify several medical conditions in their early stage, even before they became worse. And one of the major applications in healthcare right now is the early detection of cancer. Away from healthcare, another daily application of AI is virtual customer assistants. Call centers use virtual customer assistants to predict and respond to customer inquiries outside of human interactions. This allows businesses to resolve most of their customers' issues promptly regardless of the time of the day. This is achieved through a simple conversation interface, such as chatbots or voice recognition, allowing the system to provide instantaneous support and only redirect to a human when there are higher-level inquiries. Another everyday application of AI is in entertainment. The entertainment industry uses AI for targeted advertising, recommending content, and distribution. That is why you keep seeing ads for those shoes everywhere after searching for them on Google. This is also why YouTube or Netflix suggest videos to you based on your search history. The last application of AI we're going to be talking about in this video is AI in education. AI can be used in automatic grading, giving educators more time for other tasks. It can also access students and adapt to their needs. But perhaps the most common use in education today, especially for students, is the use of large language models such as ChatGPT. While such technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries and change the way we interact with technology, it is expected to have far-reaching consequences. So, with that said, let's get into the potential dark side of AI and why you should be worried. AI is quickly gaining popularity thanks to the numerous applications that we've already highlighted in this video, but there is a darker side to AI that is often overlooked. The dark side includes the potential for AI to take your job, or even be used to take over the world. The main goal of AI has always been for machines to be able to learn, think, and act like humans without any human help. Through machine learning, AI systems get progressively better at tasks, and here are some of the far-reaching consequences. Firstly, your job may be at risk. While many jobs will be created by artificial intelligence, it will also destroy certain jobs. According to a study by McKinsey, AI could replace roughly 15% of workers, or 400 million people, worldwide between 2016 and 2030, with this number showing no signs of slowing down as it continues to get smarter. As machines become better at their jobs, organizations might need fewer workers to do some simple tasks that can be automated. Hence, without regulation, AI might be the end of certain jobs. Another issue can be AI bias. Although AI machines are efficient in carrying out instructions, the algorithms that control them are built by humans. They can have a built-in bias, either intentionally or mistakenly, when the training instructions are introduced to them. For instance, an AI that is trained on a dataset of predominantly white male faces, it will most likely create results that are biased towards white male faces. The consequence of this is that the AI will likely create results that users may term as racist and sexist. Another concern about the rapid development of AI is AI terrorism. With such powerful technology at the tip of your fingers, it always has the potential to fall into the wrong hands and be used for evil, such as misinformation and spreading political propaganda. No wonder some of the biggest names in tech, such as Elon Musk and Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak, are raising their voice to stop AI before it is too late. In an open letter signed by Musk and thousands of others, he urged big companies involved in AI to halt work on AI systems that can compete with human-level intelligence and instead continue with safety research. This letter came 2 weeks after OpenAI, a company co-founded by Elon Musk, released GPT-4. GPT-4 is the backbone of the viral ChatGPT and the most powerful AI system ever released. Many tech giants are heavily investing in AI and are engaged in a race to create the most powerful and intelligent machines ever. Some of the biggest players in the industry include Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Meta, and top startups like OpenAI, DataRobot, and DeepMind, among many others. While it is too early to tell whether AI will cause a global catastrophe, it will surely create new jobs and make some old ones obsolete. However, we will eventually work alongside AI rather than against it. The earlier you embrace this reality, the better you will be prepared for a future where most of the simple tasks performed by humans today will be automated. And on that exciting yet slightly terrifying note, I do hope you guys have learned something about the world of artificial intelligence, and if you did enjoy our video, please like, subscribe, and let us know your thoughts on the AI revolution in the comments section below. Thanks for watching!